district representatives, members of the media. Very good afternoon to you all. It is indeed a milestone achievement for Fiji Football Association as we launch our first ever under-18 girls football league, and especially for the women who have been playing the game for some time at a senior level. Fiji FA is thankful to FIFA for their assistance in providing the equipment for this competition, which enables 13 districts to take part in this inaugural under-18 women's competition. Fiji FA is much committed to the development of women's football in the country, and we can clearly see where our national women's team will be in a few years to come. This league forms the basis of our women's football development program, and it will also accommodate the players who had previously represented Fiji in the under-17 OFC playoff. I would also like all of the under-18 playoff last year, and will continue to represent Fiji in the next OFC playoff, which is the under-20. I would also like to extend our huge thank you to Vodafone Fiji for coming on board and supporting the women's football in this initiative. Through the support of Fiji FA, FIFA and Vodafone, the teams will receive football gear it needs to perform on the field and traveling allowances for their matches, which is something that had never happened before. This has all come about with the full support of the Fiji FA Technical Department, and I would like to heartily thank the Director Technical, Mr. Ravinesh Kumar, and Fiji FA Competitions Manager, Amitesh Pal, for their contribution in putting the Under-18 National League for Women in motion. Thank you so much for your attendance this afternoon, and to all the districts participating, we wish you the best. Minaka.